Hey there, fellow road trippers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday hacks to make your life a little easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to use a Wawa gift card for gas in 2025. If you've got a Wawa gift card burning a hole in your wallet and you're wondering how to fuel up without fumbling, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First off, a quick refresher. Wawa is that awesome convenience store chain known for fresh coffee, hoagies, and yes, gas stations across the East Coast. Their gift cards aren't just for snacks, you can use them to pay for gas too, and in 2025, the process is even more streamlined with updated tech for faster transactions. Step 1. Before you hit the road, check your gift card balance. You can do this easily through the Wawa app or on their website. Just log in, enter your card details, and see how much fuel money you've got. This avoids any surprises at the pump. Step 2. Head to your nearest Wawa gas station. Once you're there, select the pump you want. Remember, Wawa stations are user-friendly with touchless options for 2025. Step 3. At the pump, look for the payment options. Insert your Wawa gift card into the card reader or tap it if it's a contactless one. If prompted, enter your PIN. Most cards require this for security. Step 4. Authorize the transaction. The pump will deduct the amount from your gift card balance. If you have any issues, like the card not reading, try it again or head inside to a cashier for assistance. A few pro tips. Make sure your gift card is activated and has sufficient funds. Nothing worse than realizing it's empty mid-pump. Also, in 2025, Wawa's system integrates with mobile wallets, so you might link your card to your phone for even quicker use. And there you have it. That's how you seamlessly use your Wawa gift card for gas in 2025. It's a game changer for saving time and money on your travels. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.